Hey everyone, it's Eldroid, and today I'm going to show you 3 easy and quick ways to make ColourBass like this. If you're not using samples, the first thing we're going to do is make a bass. What I did here was really easy. Make an LFO like this. Select Inspectral Gremlin and Monster 6. Make sure you have the warp effect set to mirror. After that, you're going to drag the LFO onto the wavetable position. Now we got something like this. For effects I used hyperdimension, distortion, a very quick delay, OTT compressor, and EQ with a high cut. Now we're going to make ColourBass out of it. For the first option we're going to use Fruity Convolver. To make ColourBass out of this bass, you should create an ARP, something like this. Now record the sound you made and drag it via this tab directly into the Convolver. Now it sounds something like this. Let's give it another high cut and give it some fresh air. And now with a little bit of reverb and crystallizing. In this next one we're going to Vocode. So what I did was make saw waves, made some chords with it, routed it to 24, and 24 routes through 23. Next up, route your bass to 25. Make sure this one routes to 23 as well. Open Vocode and make sure this here gets to a 2. Let's edit it a little bit. Give it a low cut and another fresh air. Now again with the same reverb. This next one is very easy, but it's also a paid method. What I did here was use a Resin Resonator plugin from Kilohertz. This resonator plugin makes your sound resonate in the tone that you selected. With multiple of these, you can make a chord. Also, make sure to give it a low cut beforehand. Without any extras, it sounds like this. Make sure to give it another low cut afterwards. Crush it maybe a little bit and add some OTT. Now with the same reverb again. For all these methods, you could use samples instead of the bass we created in the beginning of the video. So get creative, like I did. For any practical use, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use these samples in a small track. So, this was the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Not enough people consider